Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Corinne here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download royalty-free music from the YouTube audio library. If you're new to my channel, please give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified of all of my future videos. So let's get started. Make sure you're on youtube.com and then go to the right hand corner where you'll see your logo if you're logged in. You need to click this logo and a sidebar will appear, and then you need to go to YouTube Studio. Once the page is loaded, you can go to the toolbar on the left hand side, scroll down and go to Audio Library. Now the audio library will load on your page and you'll see there are multiple tracks here that are free for you to download. Most of them you don't even need to link to in your description, although some of them you do need to leave a attribution for the track. So using the audio library is really easy. So you can either click on this 3 lines here and you can either use search, you can use keywords, you could search for the track title, genre, mood, artist name, duration, and then ones without the attribution not being required. But like I said, most of them is not required anyway. Although I do like to list the track in my video descriptions. You could search by genre, and then you've obviously got all these options here: alternative and punk, ambient, children's, cinematic, classical, etc. And that goes all the way down. So you could search by genre, you could even search by mood here, you could search by happy music, or if it's romantic here, or if it's angry, you've got the angry, so you could search for any of those. And then if you know what the artist's name is, you can type that in there. Or if you have a particular duration that you want, so you want it to be longer than, or you want it to be shorter than. And then if you, like I said, don't want to use the attribution, you can click attribution not required and it will filter out any songs where you would have needed to use the attribution in your video description. Let's search by mood. I'm feeling pretty happy, so let's apply. And then as you'll see, all of these videos now have the happy tag on them. You could preview one of these songs by clicking the little play here. So if we just preview this one, so as you can see it's playing, it sounds quite happy, and then you can pause it. If you want to download it, you need to click this down arrow here. So if we go to download, it gives you lots of options here. It tells you the genre, obviously the mood, you've got the artist titled here, duration, how long the song is, and also when it was added. So obviously there's lots of options here. You're free to use any of these songs in your YouTube videos. Once you've downloaded them, just add them into whatever editing software you're using, iMovie or Premiere Pro or anything that you use. It's pretty simple really, and you can search for several different things. Really easy, and it's a great way to get free music, what's royalty free, on your videos on YouTube. So this is pretty much everything for the audio library. If you found my video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified of all of my future videos. But for now, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!